Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a new gadget that's set to change the way you take photos and videos. This device is packed with features that will make your life easier and more fun, so let's check out why it's a must-have. Design. First, let's look at the design. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is sleek and compact, making it super easy to carry. Its simple and stylish look not only makes it attractive, but also ensures it fits comfortably in your bag or pocket. Plus, it's built to last, so you can use it every day without worrying about damage. Camera. The camera upgrade in this device represents a significant leap forward in image quality, enabling users to capture moments with remarkable clarity and detail. At the heart of this enhancement is the ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second fps. This frame rate is crucial for producing smooth, fluid motion, making it ideal for a variety of shooting scenarios, from fast-paced action sequences to serene landscapes. The 4K resolution provides 4 times the detail of 1080p, ensuring that every frame is rich in color and texture. This is especially beneficial for content creators who strive for professional-level production values in their videos. The high resolution allows for extensive post-production flexibility, enabling filmmakers to crop and edit their footage without losing quality. Moreover, the advanced sensor technology enhances low-light performance, allowing users to capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions. With improved dynamic range, the camera can effectively balance highlights and shadows, resulting in well-exposed images that retain detail in both bright and dark areas. Additionally, the camera likely features various shooting modes and settings catering to diverse creative needs. Whether you're shooting vibrant cityscapes or intimate family moments, this upgrade ensures that every shot looks polished and visually captivating. Overall, this camera enhancement is tailored for those who value high-quality content creation, offering a blend of professional-grade features and user-friendly operation that appeals to both amateurs and seasoned filmmakers alike. Flight time. One of the best features of the Mini 5 Pro is its longer flight time. This means you can enjoy flying for extended periods without needing to recharge. Whether you're on an adventure or working on a project, the extra flight time gives you the freedom to capture everything you want without interruptions. Safety features. Safety is really important with this device. It has advanced obstacle avoidance technology that helps it detect and avoid obstacles while flying. This feature lets you fly with confidence, whether you're in a busy area or exploring new places. Connectivity. The Mini 5 Pro also has improved connectivity, meaning faster speeds and a more stable connection. This helps everything run smoothly, whether you're streaming, transferring files, or just staying connected with friends. Release date. Now let's talk about the release date. Everyone is eagerly waiting for this new device to come out. While we don't have an exact date yet, experts believe it will be available in the next few months. This waiting period builds excitement as people wonder about the features it will have. As we get closer to the launch, companies will likely share teasers and promotions to keep everyone interested. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is great for a wide range of people. Travelers will love its compact design and long flight time for capturing beautiful views. Content creators will appreciate the upgraded camera and better connectivity for making high-quality videos. And beginners will find it easy to use, thanks to its safety features and friendly design. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers a great combination of a stylish design, upgraded camera, longer flight times, safety features, and improved connectivity. It's a game changer for travelers, content creators, and beginners alike. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you'll create with this amazing device.